Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have California Pizza Kitchen or California Kitchen.
Yes. And where you be finding these places at? In the mall, right?
Yes, this one is located in the mall. That's where I found it. And I love their pizza. And I've had their pizza several times. And this is the one that I order. And I'm going to see, does it taste?
Like it, but me, I never tried it.
He's never had it before. So I'm going to be the one to say if it tastes like California Kitchen. But that's okay. Because all we need is one, right?
That's it. All you need is one.
So this is day 2, guys, of us comparing frozen restaurant food to the real deal.
All right. And this which one I got now?
So the hubby has barbecue chicken pizza, and I have, it's called what name again?
I don't know, because it's pork on it.
Sicilian. It's called a Sicilian. So it has pork.
I'm waiting for Mexican. I'm baked right now because I know you ain't gonna eat up all of that, man. And that looks so good, yo.
It has ham, bacon, sausage, and it has Canadian bacon, okay? And it is good. California Kitchen, in their freezer section, they only have thin crust. That's a con, because some people doesn't like thin crust. They should do 2 options, but that's okay.
And which one I have now? You tell me. You tell me which one I have?
I sure did in the beginning, barbecue chicken. You know, listen.
Because I'm hungry now. Family, you're going to hear a lot of noise probably. We're doing some remodeling, so don't worry about the noise, no?
So this is how mine look. You can go ahead and take a piece.
Damn! I bite it for her.
I'm sorry, honey. I didn't mean to cut you off. What was you saying?
No, I said if they hear a lot of noise in the back, that means they were doing some work, family. So don't worry, family. And when all is said and done, we show you what's going down. You know, we gotta show the family member what's going down in the kitchen. You know, that look good. Can't take too much. I only got 4 pieces today.
That is good. Yes.
Okay.
That is good, and I love a thin crust pizza.
I guess I'm eating thin crust today. I'm eating everything today, family. I'm hungry. I went to play some basketball this morning. I came back home. Good story. First, I already told you when it comes to basketball how I get. If somebody tell me about basketball and I plan it,
it's over.
And don't come through. So today, before I went to play basketball, I got a phone call from my boy. The first thing he talking. First they said, "Oh, don't tell me they canceled on you." I said, "No, they didn't cancel." We were talking about what time we gonna meet up. She's like, "Oh my God, all right. I know how you get." So we're not there. Played a little 2-on-2, you know. It's better when I like playing 2-on-2 or 4-on-4 at half court sometimes because it makes you play harder than playing full, you know. So played like about 5 games.
It's good.
You know, I won the series. Smooth telling about your pizza. Hold on. So when I came home now,
not Russia.
first they said, "Damn, you soak." She said, "It's hot outside." I said, "Yeah." But she don't know. I cooled off first. My clothes, you could have wring it out.
Yep.
That's how soak I was.
You was sweating.
Now, I'm hungry and I'm sleepy.
Basketball, hungry, sleepy.
Do you think I'm first? Tell me what it tastes. Taste like the real thing?
Yes.
Don't mind. I ain't gonna lie.
You don't like
tastes
thin
good.
crust?
No, it tastes, I don't care if it's thin crust or not. I don't really like thin crust, but I'm gonna have to eat it. But it tastes good. I mean, I never had it before. Yeah, I had it before coming down. No?
So what I did was, with Richie's one, I didn't bake his too long. So that the crust is still nice and kind of juicy. And mine, I like my crust to be crunchy.
Not me. Cut out my gums. I see all the time why you go in here and buy it.
It's good. Now, would I say that it's just as good as California Kitchen? I would say yes and no. Yes, the flavors are the same, but no, Because I feel like it's supposed to be cheesier or something.
Oh. Okay.
Oh no. They can be kind of stingy with the cheese.
And you on it?
Mhm.
Well, mine's a go.
But it's good.
Mhm.
It's exactly what I order when I go to California Kitchen. This and a salad.
Okay.
And it's very good.
Mhm. Let me know. Definitely if y'all tried it before. It's located in the mall. Only in the mall is located. They have a regular store for them. California pizza. Like, you ever see a store itself?
Yes. Yes. And actually at the Sawgrass Mall in Fort Lauderdale. This one there's one close to us in West Palm Beach. And then there's another one that I know of in the Sawgrass Mall. That's where I first went to it.
Yeah, I mean like not in a Sawgrass Mall. I'm talking about outside of the mall.
No, it's outside of the mall.
Oh, okay,
it's
okay.
not in the mall.
Okay.
But I guess it's still considered the mall.
Yeah, like Domino have a separate spot. Papa John didn't. Okay.
No. This one, that's a second. Yeah, you're right. It is close to a mall or in a mall.
Yes, that's what the Persians say. I eat off the caribou. You're not right. Family, let me tell you something. Y'all know already. We ain't gonna hide nothing. Listen to me, family. Any day I start eating pork,
It's over.
it's over. I'm gonna make some jerk pork, some stewed pork, some curry pork, some brown stew pork, some fried pork. Pork on top of pork and pork. And listen, when I'm eating that,
Ooh.
let me tell you, so I don't need to hide and say, oh, or lie, say, I don't eat pork and they go eat up. I don't, but listen to me. Think if I was eating pork, family, come on now. We reasoning now, talking now. We talking now. Yeah, I'm listening to y'all. Go. You're right. Which you don't do pork. First day to eat it. I know. But yeah, what I was saying, if I did, that would have been gone already. I'm telling you.
If you think he eats my food now,
So it's a good thing I don't eat the pork. God, that. Wait, simmer and look.
yeah, man, it look pretty too.
Wow. But yeah, family.
Man,
I'm gonna do it.
and bacon.
When we get up there, I told you, I'm gonna roast a whole pig.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
You can't eat no pork.
Watch me.
I need something to eat.
Right. One time I said I wanted to stop eating meat, but I don't think I could do that. It's gonna be hard for me.
Because guess what? I'm gonna still make my oxtail. I still make curry goat. I still make stew peas and all kind of something there. Curry chicken. What you gonna do?
Yes, it. Family.
But your father didn't eat meat for a long time. His father doesn't eat meat, or he didn't eat meat. He started eating meat now though.
I can't stop eating meat. I gotta eat my meat.
He only ate fish. But as long as I've known Richie, he didn't eat meat. Probably like 5 years ago he started eating meat.
Let me tell you, could y'all do that? Could y'all well, a lot of our family members are vegetarian too.
Yeah, a lot.
Oh, you don't eat red meat.
Right. They only eat chicken and fish.
Yummy.
And some people, unfortunately, they're forced not to eat meat. You know, they want to eat meat, but their body just don't agree with it. You know? You know who you are.
My body agree with it. But yeah, this tastes good though.
Good.
I want to taste the real thing now. When I go to the store, I want to taste the real. Now you have me want to taste the real pizza, and then I want to taste this one.
Yeah. I feel like crispy mine. I should have.
My pizza. Check it right. You didn't get right.
I'm saying I should have cooked mine the same time as his. I like it crispy, but this is crispy, but it's still good.
Take me your daughter.
Yeah.
You want to try mine?
But it's still good. Tomorrow?
I told you, you want to burn the pizza. Your mom tells you, don't burn the pizza. You want to hear. Yep, I'm telling them. I told her family.
You can't tell them because they don't know what you said.
Family. I tell her, Take out the pizza now, cause you don't get too crispy.
Yeah, okay. Into the crust,
Triple apart. See how mine's? Mine not flaky? That's for me.
That's how you like it, see? And you can fold it.
You fold it and come like a pita bread you're eating.
It still tastes good, though.
I know, cause it's pork. The family, how your day been?
Oh, yeah.
Not bad as ours, cause we always doing something in the house, yes. I know you're saying that. We are always doing, but family, remember, we always doing something, and when it's done, you're gonna see. We got something coming for y'all. Just keep watching. Listen, I'm gonna say from today's the second day of the marathon, right? Keep watching the videos because you're gonna get an announcement and you're gonna get it pretty soon. I'm not gonna tell you when. You gotta watch the videos and you're gonna be shocked. And when you get that announcement, family, and the other people them to the side watching, I want you to blow it up. Alright? That's it. No more I'm not telling you. So y'all just stay tuned and keep watching. Y'all don't know what video is gonna come in, okay? Just keep watching. And we appreciate y'all. Alright? Our word is our bond. You said them first, lady? Okay.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah. We don't play. We gotta show proof.
Yeah. You can't be all talk.
You don't talk no action. We don't do that here. But yeah, keep tuning. We appreciate y'all. As always.
Listen, I have to drink the soda because it said my crust dry, man.
You want some of the juice? And I'm alternating my cup. Oh man, I love getting gifts. Appreciate every one of y'all. Family, we got some mango trees around us bearing. Oh my god. Every time you're further drive by them, we gotta find different spots now.
Yeah.
We see a lot of spots around our area. We're gonna have to test them out. And whenever we do get a bunch of them, we're gonna do a mango video for y'all. Comment down if you want to see a mango mukbang.
That'll be good enough. Okay. Let me tell you guys something. The way how Richie eat mango, if you think Richie eat food fast, okay? Richie will eat, no lie, 6 mango, and they're small, and the time it takes me to eat one.
You're more too smart, man, you.
And if you move too fast. And too fast.
Family, me and Fergie really got so much stuff in the making.
Yeah. If you guys make this, don't leave it in too long.
Well, you ate it though.
It's good.
It don't cut your gums.
What we having to make it, my love?
The other stuff we doing for the family, but you can't tell them because you tell them they're gonna keep acting.
Yeah.
They're going. What one to them no?
Yeah.
Tell them that they're going no.
Yeah, they're persistent.
Yes, and we like that, but remember what I told y'all. Mine was good.
Yeah, my pizza was good. It's just that I should have took mine out with yours. I'm showing off.
I told you that.
You did.
That's another family. She don't want to listen to me. But no, can have my pizza. I can't do that. Yeah, I like that pizza crust like that.
Because the crust is different though.
Yeah, but I'm saying, do you have the pizza when you get it like crust like that? Does it cut your gums? I don't know. It's probably just me.
In the restaurant, the crust is different.
You look good though. That pepperoni look nice and salty though. Nice. Word of wisdom for y'all good people right now. Appreciate y'all. Family. First lady. Have the maturity to know sometimes silence is more powerful than having the last word. If you keep your mouth shut now, Camille, yo, I love reading my thing now. You always have something to say in the mind. Keep your mouth shut.
You have to work on me?
Okay. Tell me, family, if you like that one. Ooh, front door.
So who always like to have the last word in this relationship?
The ladies.
No. Richie.
The ladies that always have to have the last word.
It's you. And first of all, you can't say the ladies because you're not married to ladies. You're married to a lady.
Ladies.
So you
I'm
use
talking.
me.
I'm talking to the family. You asked me who always have to have the last word.
Between me and you. So
you then.
No, you. And what you talk about ladies before you get boxed up and kick up?
Oh, watch my Instagram going up right now. So much people are texting my Instagram, man. God damn.
Whatever.
Family, look how you texting my Instagram.
Even if... You see how fast people on the phone? Even if Richie's last word is, you know what? I'm not saying nothing to you. That's still the last word. You have to have the last word. Don't make him fool you.
Be a chat, my yo. They chat too much, my yo.
See? Last word.
Always, dog. I'm the boss.
See? Go ahead. You can do your outro.
Yeah. Oh, we appreciate y'all coming through as always. And watch first they chat up from like she do always chat. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. This is Richie, aka Pastor Richie. This is Shanice, aka First Lady. Facts. You hear it first. Tell them chat, Shanice.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.
I like that juice.